Hi guys, welcome to another video from Girls Garage. Today we're back with the A3 and we're putting the Maxton Design front splitter on. Show it you, we've got it here. And you get out the packaging on that. But yeah, we'll be putting this on today and we'll be painting the metal, well, like the silver bar behind there, matte black, so you can't see it anymore. So yeah, let's get started. First thing we need to do is take the bumper off. I'll just do this on time lapse because on my last video I showed you how to do it. So yeah, let's get started on that and then paint that bar first.
This is a certified hood classic. Trapaholics mixtapes. Trapaholics, bitch. Real trap shit.
Okay, so basically we figured out you couldn't take it off, so we put it all back on and we're going to paint it on the car. We're just going to cover everything up with paper, so we'll do that now with a quick. So as you can see, we've painted the car, not painted it, we've papered it up. We've covered the headlights and the like intercooler and all that. So now we're going to start painting the metal bar. So basically I'm just going to paint it with this bit of paper there just to give us that extra bit of protection. So yeah, I'll just time lapse this and then get started on fitting the splitter. Okay, so we're on to the time where we're opening the Maxton Design packet. So we put the bumper on the grass so you don't scratch it on the drive or anything. So it's over there, turned upside down, ready for us to line up the splitter and that. So yeah, I'm going to open up this packet now and show you it, and then start drilling some holes. Right, and so as you can see guys, we've drilled all the holes in the splitter now. I forgot to film it. We're going to take it off, peel the protective film off and bolt it all together, and then we'll flip it over and show you the finished product and put it on the car. So as you can see, we've finished painting the crash bar now, so that'll be invisible behind the grille. We've also put the splitter on, so I'll show you that. We've put everything back together on the inside. Yeah, Maxton Design, as always, it's looking good. So yeah, we'll just put the bumper back on the car, we'll time lapse this, and that'll probably be the end of the video. So just get a nice clip of putting all this back together. But yeah, it's looking way better now.
This is a certified hood classic. Trapaholics mixtapes. Trapaholics, bitch. Real trap shit.
So then guys, we're back with Leezy's car. Obviously, been a few days since we put the splitter on. This is going to be the end of the video, but he's just had his wheels painted, so I thought I'd show you them in this video. So now the car is looking a lot more blacked out. Looks a lot better. We're going to get red brake calipers on this at some point, but as you can see, we're missing the hubcaps, so we're just going to spray paint the ones he's got, and then he's going to get some ones with the chrome Audi badge on. But just for now, we're going to spray paint the ones that came off the original wheels. But yeah, as you can see, it's looking gorgeous. So yeah, that'll be it for today's video. I'll just put a clip in of me painting these, and yeah, that'll be it. Just get the nice cinematics, and see you in the next one. So like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.